Start para. On 9th June 2023, an adjournment was applied for by Mr. Bhosle on the ground that the senior counsel engaged to appear in this matter was in some difficulty. Accordingly, this matter was adjourned to 23rd June 2023 by clarifying that this petition would be taken for final disposal. The parties have already completed their pleadings. Accordingly, we issue rule. Given the order made on 9th June 2023, learned counsel for the parties were heard finally and at length. Para. However, it is necessary to record that Mr. Chintan Shah and Mr. Bhosle did apply for adjournment because the senior advocate was unavailable. After this court expressed its disinclination to adjourn this matter given its history, Mr. Bhosle, on behalf of the 10th respondent, made extensive submissions in the matter. Mr. Shah, despite the opportunity, refused to make any arguments on behalf of the 8th and 9th respondents. Since there was no significant difference in the stances of the 8th and 9th respondents on the one hand and the 10th respondent on the other, we did not deem it appropriate to adjourn the matter any further. This is a gross case where respondents 8, 9 and 10 have constructed 5 buildings unauthorizedly on the property which is at least partly governed land, despite 5 separate orders dated 23 December 2013 made by the Tahsildar. After following the due course of law, respondents 8, 9 and 10 did not demolish the unauthorized construction put up by them. Instead, these respondents transferred some of the apartments in these buildings to create third-party rights and defraud such purchasers. Para. Admittedly, the orders dated 23rd December 2013 were not challenged by respondents 8, 9 and 10 by instituting any proceedings before the competent court of law. Still, respondents 8, 9 and 10 did not comply with the directions issued in this order. Even the authorities tasked with taking action in such matters appeared interested in passing the buck to one another and thereby avoiding action. Hence, the petitioners have instituted this petition seeking several reliefs, including immediate demolition of these grossly unauthorized buildings brazenly put up by respondents 8, 9 and 10 in the property surveyed under number 12 in the village Bhivandi, district Thane, which is a subject matter of this petition. Para. Ms. Shinde, learned AGP for the state, submitted that the orders dated 23rd December 2013 stand and have not been challenged by any parties. She therefore submitted that such orders are required to be enforced and would be enforced by the authorities. She submitted that after the notification dated 17th March 2007 issued under the Maharashtra Regional and Town Planning Act 1966, the Panchayat had no power to grant permission for such constructions and permission from MMRDA was a must. Para. Ms. Shinde submitted that since such permissions were not obtained, 5 buildings constructed by respondents 8, 9 and 10 are wholly unauthorized and deserve demolishing. She submitted that 5 unauthorized buildings had been constructed upon the government property as observed by the Tahsildar in the orders dated 23rd December 2013. She submitted that this is an additional reason for the demolition of the 5 buildings unauthorizedly constructed by respondents 8, 9 and 10.